Hello, everyone, and welcome back to In English Podcast channel.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're joining us today.
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Clara.
On this podcast, we help you practice real, everyday English that you can actually use in your life.
Yes, our goal is to help you feel confident speaking English in real conversations, not just in exams.
Today's topic is very special and very useful.
We're going to talk about how to speak about your plans for 2026 in English.
The new year is almost here, and this is the perfect time to talk about goals, dreams, and future plans.
Everyone has something they want to do in the new year, right?
Exactly. And English has many natural ways to talk about future plans.
Some ways sound strong and definite, some sound flexible, and some sound like dreams or wishes.
Today, we'll show you how to use these expressions naturally, just like fluent speakers.
Before we begin, please like this episode and subscribe to In English Podcast. It really supports our channel.
And make sure you stay until the end, because we'll ask you a special question to practice in the comments.
All right, let's begin.
So, Clara, let me ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
2026 is almost here. Have you thought about your plans for the new year?
Yes, I have. I really want to make 2026 a meaningful year for myself.
That sounds great. What kind of plans do you have?
Well, one of my main plans is learning a new skill.
Oh, really? What do you want to learn?
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Wow, that's interesting. I didn't know you wanted to play music.
I've always liked music, but I never made time for it before.
So 2026 is the year.
Yes, I've decided that in 2026, I'm finally going to start.
How are you planning to learn? Classes or self-study?
I'm planning to learn online. There are many good guitar lessons on YouTube and learning platforms.
Are you going to practice regularly?
Yes, I'm going to practice every day for at least 30 minutes.
That's impressive. Daily practice is not easy.
True, but I really want to stay consistent.
Do you have any travel plans for 2026?
Yes, I do. I want to travel more next year.
Where are you hoping to go?
I'm hoping to visit a few countries. Japan is high on my list, and maybe Spain or New Zealand.
Those are amazing destinations.
Nothing is booked yet, but I really hope it happens. What about you, Ryan? What are your plans for 2026?
I have several plans. First, I want to take better care of my health.
That's always a good goal. What does that mean for you?
I'm going to start exercising more regularly.
How often?
Right now, I only exercise once or twice a week, but in 2026, I'm going to work out 4 times a week.
That's a big change.
Yes, but I feel motivated.
Are you planning to change your diet, too?
Yes, I'm planning to eat healthier meals, less fast food, more home-cooked food.
That sounds like a strong plan.
I also want to read more books in 2026.
How many books are you aiming for?
I'm aiming to read at least 24 books this year.
2 books a month. That's great.
I enjoy fiction, but I also want to read more personal growth books.
Are you planning to join a book club?
Yes, I'm thinking about it. I believe it will help me stay motivated.
Any other plans?
Yes, I'm planning to volunteer more.
Where do you want to volunteer?
At a local animal shelter. I love animals and want to help.
How often are you planning to go?
Probably twice a month on weekends.
Ryan, did you notice something interesting about our conversation?
Yes, we used many different ways to talk about the future.
Exactly. Let's explain these to our listeners.
The first expression is going to.
We use going to when the plan is already decided.
For example, I'm going to start exercising in January.
This means the decision is already made.
The second expression is planning to.
We use planning to when we have an idea, but details are still being arranged.
For example, I'm planning to take an online course.
The third level is hoping to or wanting to.
These are dreams or wishes, not definite plans.
For example, I'm hoping to travel to Japan.
Ryan, let's practice with career plans.
Okay. Ryan, what are your career goals for 2026?
I'm going to ask my manager for a promotion.
That sounds confident.
I'm also planning to improve my skills by taking professional courses.
Any long-term dreams?
Yes, I'm hoping to start my own business in the future.
Ryan, ask me about my personal plans.
Sure. Clara, do you have any personal goals for 2026?
Yes, I'm going to spend more quality time with my family.
That's lovely.
I'm also planning to learn how to cook better.
Are you hoping to cook something special?
Yes, I'm hoping to bake a cake for my mom's birthday.
Now let's teach how to ask about future plans.
You can ask, what are your plans for 2026?
Or, do you have any plans for the new year?
You can also ask specific questions like, are you planning to travel?
Now let's talk about common mistakes learners make.
One big mistake is using will instead of going to.
Remember, will is for sudden decisions or predictions.
Another mistake is forgetting to after planning, hoping, or wanting.
Correct version, I'm planning to study. Incorrect version, I'm planning study.
Let's share some useful words.
Resolution, a serious decision for the new year.
Goal, something you want to achieve.
Aim, intend, determined, considering, looking forward to.
Remember, after looking forward to, we use verb plus ing.
Let's quickly review.
Going to, decided plans.
Planning to, plans in progress.
Hoping to, dreams and wishes.
Now it's your turn.
Question of the day. What is one plan you have for 2026?
Write your answer in the comments using I'm going to, I'm planning to, I'm hoping to.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
We believe in you.
This is In English Podcast channel.
See you next time. Bye.